Welcome back everyone, thanks for checking out another video. I have a pretty unique car in the shop for a tune today and I thought I'd make a video for you guys. This is an 06 Honda Accord V6 manual transmission and we tuned it on Hondata Flashpro today. And what's unique about that is that normally you cannot tune these cars with the Hondata Flashpro unless you change out the ECU. And so the owner's done just that. He has swapped in an 07 Acura TL ECU and is using a Hondata Flashpro meant for the TL. So apparently this is a big thing now. Guys are swapping in TL ECUs into this generation Accord so that it can be tunable, because I get asked all the time, can you tune these cars? And up until now, like, the answer has been no, unfortunately I can't. But with this ECU swap, we can tune it with the Hondata Flashpro and get it running right and make a bit more power. So the owner has done basically full bolt-ons on this engine. This is the J30A5 engine. It is a 3-liter V6 engine. He has done basically full bolt-ons. I'm gonna go through all the details of the mods. So he has done a 4-inch cold air intake, a J37 Throttle Body, J37 Magnesium intake manifold, P2R ported intake runners. He's done RV6 downpipes. The car has a custom 3-inch exhaust system with the Hiflow Cat, and it is running on Hondata Flashpro. We tuned it on 91 pump gas today. This car is actually pretty unique. It does have the HFP full body kit, has JDM headlights. It's got a set of 18 by 9.5 plus 35 wheels on it. The car looks great. Like usual, I've already done all the dyno tuning. I'm gonna cut to some shots of the dyno pulls and then I'll share the final results at the end. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed those dyno pulls, but I'm sure you're eager to see what this thing put down today. This engine is originally rated at 244 horsepower, 211 foot-pounds torque. That is crank horsepower. We're measuring it on a dyno today, so this is wheel horsepower. Today, it put down 258 horsepower and 228 foot-pounds torque. So huge gains over what it would have been in stock form. I bet you in stock form, this thing would probably put down like 220 horse. So serious gains with these mods and the ability to be able to tune it today. So I'm pretty sure the owner's gonna be super happy once he gets a chance to drive this thing. And he's already talking about more Now that we can tune it with the Hondata Flashpro, we can technically tune it with boost as well. So maybe we'll see this car back in the future with a turbo kit or something like that. So anyways, hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Do me a favor, if you like it, hit that like button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I will continue to keep making these videos for you guys. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye now.